Hi, Galen. I was just wondering, how do you eat your Oreos?
No, I always like starting out with the 22 stuff.
Oh, really?
And you just
Don't you, I mean,
take a bite.
just gotta take a bite, just like that, just like that. Oh!
Oh.
Looks so creamy.
Creamy.
So creamy.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh, I need some water. Here's another one to go with it.
The 22 stuff was too much.
No, it's like burning my throat.
Look at that. Oh, proof. He's eating the 22 stuff.
Oh,
This is the live footage you got here, folks. Another one, another 23 stuff.
No.
No, we can't eat the whole thing.
Oh my god. I want some cookie. I need some cookie in this bite.
No, he's gonna eat the cream. 22 stuff.
Yeah, you just gotta eat
This is similar to a balloon shop, 20 stuff,
That's
but
okay.
we improved it by 2, as you can see. So we're twice creative. As in, not really twice. Imagine eating a 40 stuff. I mean, that would be just like...
Here's a cookie to scoop the rice.
Yeah. It feels like a desert fire in my... he's almost finished with it.
No.
No, he's got a lot
It's
of
like
it.
an apple core.
Take a big bite.
No.
It's so creamy.
It's like my stomach feels really bad.
You just gotta eat more.
The reason we have golden ones is because we don't like black people.
Jesus Christ! Are you kidding? I can't put that. I'm putting this on Facebook. Dang it.
Do you actually feel that way?
No, I do not. Okay, we have to make another one to read.
Kill the bad
Say it to the
boy.
camera.
Yeah, freak.
No, you can
Okay.
edit it out.
I don't know about that.
God, it feels like there's like something living in my stomach.
I want to try eating one of those.
No, you
Just
don't.
look at that creaminess.
It looks good, but it's
You
not.
want me to make one?
Sure.
Oh my.
Make me a 22. Oh, that's so nasty.
There's like.
Oh.
We're making
This is live footage here, folks. If you see it, it's a 22 step Oreo. So it looks so creamy.
I'll just make
Creamy decadent. Looks so delectable.
You can have a bite.
No, I'll have a later.
Have a bite.
No, you gotta finish it by yourself.
I need water, more water.
He has to finish it for this video to be over. That's the key to the end of the video. For him to finish this 22 step Oreo. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hey. Let me show you how a real man eats a cookie stuff. Jazz.
eat all those at once.
No, is there any like regular?
No, I'm making you.
I need one regular one.
I'm making.
Oh.
Okay.
Like an actual good one.
That's semi-regular. No, no.
Is there any
No, I just
regulars
went to
left?
5 stuff.
Dang it! There's like none good ones left.
Hey. So.
Ah,
Make sure a real man.
I need 2 cookies.
Cookie.
Come on.
Nasty guys.
Come on.
I'm only eating a 5 stack. 5 stuff.
It's not gonna be anywhere near as bad, but it will be bad.
Oh, gross. Grody. Hey, I said grody. I'm Justin Nielsen. That goes out to you, Justin. You and your grody. Oh, and Ben McNair. I hate when you say grody, so stop. I'll find you.
Halfway done.
I will find you. I know where you live.
Halfway done. I know where Ben lives. We're done.
He's gotta finish it. This video's going on pretty long here. You gotta finish it. Look at that. Mount Rushmore. It's like a
Dang
desert
it.
fire in my mouth.
Fire department.
The fire department's not on duty. Oh, he's gonna cheat.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at all that cream. It's oozing
Josh
out-
is like, look at
It's like
that.
a cookie circle oozing at the sides, man. Just finish it. Just finish it. Finish that. Do it. You know you want that. Oh, sprinkles. Oh!
No!
Finish
No!
it. Yes! You have to! Yeah. Oh, man!
Oh!
Come on, you gotta finish it! You gotta finish it! Gotta get something in my mouth and get the taste away! How about some saltines and tomatoes, man? Enjoy, get some saltines and tomatoes. Enjoy the big game. Come on. Oh, that pepper looks so delicious.
Come on!
Come on!
Come on!
You're almost done with the 22 stuffed Oreo. I wonder if anyone's ever tried that before. It's pretty nasty, though.
I wonder what the biggest Oreo moment was.
Probably like some really retarded fat kid who like ate like
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey. And then he ate like a 48 stuff, you know? Come
I
on.
feel sick.
You gotta finish it to win it, man. I can't go longer than 10 minutes on the video, so I can put it on Facebook. But we're only at 5 minutes. We're at 6 minutes, actually. Come on, you gotta finish it. If anyone actually watches this video for this long, then I doubt you're gonna watch it for this long. Yeah, that's so delectable. Like, I'm gonna eat mine after he's done.
I'm gonna quit.
No, you cannot quit. You are almost done. Come
No.
on, you have to finish it. You have to. It's your duty as life. It's your life dream to finish this. This is your calling. Hey, don't be cheating.
Just getting on the cookie.
All right, he's got to eat it. He's got to get it over with. Get it over with. Yeah, one more bite after that, and then you're done. Then you're
Oh,
done.
look at that forming.
Come on, you can do it. You can't quit now. Come on. Come
I
on.
need a pep pop.
Afterwards, you can have Pepsi stuff,
I
cake.
want a Pepsi. Freckles?
Oh, which one?
Spreckles?
Avatar.
Mountain Dew.
Avatar 2. Whoa! Didn't
Avatar
expect that. Avatar. Could this be? Could this be Iron Man 1 Lost episode featuring Jesus? Could it be? Could it be? No.
Last bite. Last
Last
bite.
bite.
Here it is.
Until he eats it. Hey, this is a oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, you've seen it here live, folks. Local boy eats a 22 stuff cream-filled Oreo. It's
Cut it.
gross. Then I got to film me eat mine. Gotta take off the strap here. Oh man.